Hey, what's up guys? Miyagi and Trips on the Trail coming to you from the Superior Hiking Trail in Crosby Manitou State Park. We're going to be doing a 4-day, 3 overnight trip with Trips. We got Lou and the one and only Milosh.
Wait, Miyagi, your need start at beginning of story.
Oh, look at this. It's almost.
Welcome to Minnesota.
Welcome to Minnesota. What's up, buddy? You'd swear these two guys are related. You've been wearing the same coat.
Brother, and this is the big brother. Always the big one is comes small, and the next one
Comes big.
Oh, yeah.
You get us a table? Milosh, what are you doing?
I mix every sauce every time.
Yeah, you got it all over me is what you did.
You're welcome.
Took a bite out of his sandwich and he squirted me.
Usually I charge $5 for that.
So we're here at, for me, at
$2.50.
at $2.50. Thanks, Milosh. I love you.
And I don't got no change either.
Juice tab.
So we're here at the Canal Park Brewery. We got Lou, we got Almost, Trips, me, and Milosh.
Me is part of Milosh.
There's no me and Milosh together. Just me and Milosh. Me and Milosh. Lou, what's going on over there?
I'm watering plants.
Oh, okay. Milosh,
Hey, buddy.
what you got there? You got a papoose?
Well, I got a little baby in here that I'm gonna deliver. This is for baby inside here. And grilled cheese double fatty.
Back on the SHT, Milosh.
Man, this trail and me are best friend. I come here every year, punish, hate, but still end up come back love. That's it. Everybody love.
Our 4-day trip began at the George Crosby Manitou State Park, where we'd be traveling southbound along the Lake Superior hiking trail 6 miles to the South Sonju Lake campsite. Jeremy LaCroix from the Channel Midwest Backpacker would be joining us. However, he opted for a shorter hike, starting in a trailhead near Sonju Lake.
So did that medicine work?
No, you tell me I'm gonna have to cut it completely off. It would be, if you're in the back and you fart and no one guess, you should go perfect to the front. It's the new game called the, I call it Miyagi Sprint. You fart, someone guess, they go to the front. Good for the whole family, maybe not grandpa so much. Because he is just cheese and bacon.
And action.
Go for power!
I'm not going that way.
You can go your own way! Man, don't go my way, man. This is terrible. That's a bad one, man.
He's gonna do it.
Nope.
No?
For me, never go follow me, man.
This was not a good way either.
I was trying to follow it. I got mad when I didn't make it.
Oh!
Commit, you have to commit!
The pole went in.
Oh, the pole, the collapse!
So in true SHT fashion, we've encountered all kinds of mud and water, and Trips and Lou are getting a good taste of what the SHT is all about.
The SH?
The SHT. It's the SHT. You know why we call it the SHT? Because everybody in this group, his ass has been on hit.
You know who else couldn't have done that back there? That bitch girl, man.
It's true.
She fell in the mud and we laughing. We fed her to skeeters, they snacking. What's happening? Trail Baskin.
Carol Baskin killed her husband, whacked him. Can't convince me that it didn't happen. Fed them to tigers, they snacking. What's happening? Carol Baskin.
Like an eclipse. It's not safe.
East branch of the Baptism River. And this is what the SHT is known for right here. All kinds of roots and rocks. They're ankle biters, aren't they?
Yeah. They are.
So what do you think, Lou?
Pretty awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How you doing?
I'm good, man. It's a good day for sun, for quest, you know. The bridge we don't even have cross. You know, they say don't burn the bridge, you know, we'll cross that bridge when it comes. Well, it comes, but we don't go. I got to put this over my name so people say the O, not the Milosh. Milosh is weird. With a pack of mud.
Filling your water up there, Milosh?
Yeah, if you look the water right here, you know, I go with the pole and let it drip into my cup. Like poop. Once a few of them.
Well, what do you think so far? How we feeling? Lou? We're 4 miles in.
Feeling good?
Yeah? Trips? How's the new shoes?
Eh.
What do you got? Which ones you
I
got?
don't know.
Ultra long peak 2.0.
No, I have some Solomons.
She got new ones. Milosh, what are you rocking?
I got this number last year, one day before FKT SHT, no break-in, no blister.
I do like the new haircut though.
Oh yeah.
Or a new color, I guess. That's
No, see, you got to know during the coronavirus, nobody is open. So Milosh had to go by himself and get the bleach and the brush and the burn of the scalp. All I don't have to pay for this time. Free.
Free?
Oh yeah, no charge for mutilation.
Alright, so we just passed North Sonju Lake campsite, and we just passed 5.6 miles, and we figure that South Sonju is about at 6 miles, so we got to be getting close here.
Just 1 mile to go.
Almost. Jeremy, Midwest backpacker, is supposed to be meeting us at South Sonju, but he cheated, and he ended up going to the Sonju Lake trailhead, so he only had like a 1.5 mile, 2 mile hike in. Just coming into South Sonju here, which is a group site. I already see one bag and a chair. That looks like Jeremy's chair. Yeah, check this out. Beautiful. There it is. Sonju Lake. And Lily's Island's over to the right. You can't see it. Man, what a gorgeous day. What do you think, Lou?
Beautiful.
Yeah?
Worth every bit of it.
You liking it?
Yeah, love it.
All right, let's go screw with Jeremy's stuff. Let's move his entire camp to somewhere else. Milosh, what did you get, Milosh?
Oh man, I can tell you. Christmas coming early for Milosh. This is perfect, man. I'm gonna so happy because I get the green Hornet. The green machine, this is like my old big wheel.
The Green Hornet.
Or maybe, this is top high quality. Bognet, single hammock. They got the tarp strap clip. Trailcraft. When you know you need it.
This is Lou's very first backpacking trip.
That's right.
Sonju Lake. Now we're gonna see if Lou remembers everything that I taught him. So Trips,
Yes.
what happened?
I forgot my spreader bars for my bridge hammock.
Uh-oh. You missed it. We had to fashion up some spreader bars. So we are using my old trekking poles that Lou is using, which have, I put a mount on here for our camera. And we wrapped the line around that, and the tip of the trekking pole is inside of the other spreader bar. So I sat in there and it seemed to hold okay. So if we hear a ah in the middle of the night, we know what happened.
You know what it is.
Yeah. And Milosh,
Milosh is good.
how you liking the new hammock there, buddy?
Man, it's the best. It's lighter than my old hammock. It got the attached boga net. This underquilt keep me warm at night. This is a Milosh upgrade for number 7.
For number 7.
Yes, 1 through scale of 1 to 10. Like everything 7 and above is for girl reserved, but this is a 7. On the scale of 1 to 7 for best me, except for girl, 7.
That makes sense, right, Lou?
I got it.
Thank you, Miyagi. You're gonna make me cry. I will promise I don't do this. Hey, buddy guy, I refined the latrine for you.
Oh, good.
I leave a trail of turds. So you just smell or close the eye and follow.
Outstanding.
Boom.
This is our official campfire host.
Welcome to Minnesota, home of mosquitoes and riots.
Mosquitoes and what?
Riots.
Oh, yeah. The original.
I paid a whole $5 for this thing at Walmart.
You're almost through. See what I did there?
I get you.
No, explain it to me.
What do you mean?
So where did you get the name Almost from?
My wife. No, just kidding.
I'm like,
He got it.
oh, I get it now.
Chuck and my friend Toots hiking in Colorado.
Yeah,
Going
yeah,
Up mountains.
yeah.
I kept on saying we're almost there, and we weren't even close.
That's what I thought.
I keep saying the opposite. I'm like, only 1 more mile.
Milosh, what are you doing with your hand?
I'm making sure it's. Hey, man, I got chronic frostbite. Buddy.
Hold this wood.
See?
Oh, yeah. So there's a funny story about Milosh's hand. So this was Death March, was that number 1? 2. No, that was 2.
Number 2.
Because first one we were with Kurt. So Death March number 2, we were on the North Country Trail, and it was -5, I think.
You go for 10 because the
-10.
whiskey
That-
I had is gonna. Not,
that's true.
It's not high quality. It's gonna.
So we get to camp, and we're in what 3 feet of snow
easy.
that we had to dig out. So we get to camp, and Milosh puts it. He stops pulling his polk sled, and he just stands there. And he says, he just starts violently shaking. He says, I can't feel my hands. I can't feel my hands. I said, Milosh, put your hands down your pants.
Work every time now.
And now he can't keep his hands out of his pants.
Kind of like a 5-year-old boy.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, I'm gonna tell you, buddy, it works.
Yeah, it does work.
He still does it when it's about 100 degrees out, though.
Yeah.
Probably.
Milosh, what are you doing? Keeping my hands warm, he says. I keep my hands warm. I'm like, it's 100 degrees out, Milosh. Milosh, the fire keeper.
The keeper of the flame,
Don't
Milo?
they call that the Potawatomi fire keeper?
Yep.
Oh, fuck indeed, man. Oh, it's like nature made that one.
smooth.
I thought that was gonna fall in like a toilet bowl.
What you got going behind there, Lou? Is that our cooking fire? We had a fire. Look at this, backcountry. We actually have a grill. Look at it's cheating.
There's no such thing as cheating. Just ask Dan Becker.
Did you? Yeah, it's supposed to get cold tonight. So we just got the campfire going, and we got our grill going for our steaks, and we're gonna head down to Lily's Island. It's about what is it? About 8:30 now. Whoa! And the sun should be setting here fairly soon. And the sun sets right over Sonju Lake, so we should have for an awesome sunset here tonight. So here's the boardwalk to Lily's Island.
No.
There's Jeremy off to the left there setting up for his time-lapse sunset. Just a gorgeous, peaceful, serene lake. This is one of these spots that you want to look out for moose, especially in the morning. They like to come out here and feed in these shallower areas. Spin around. What? There you go.
That's friendship.
So here's the Lily Island Trail Register. Into the unknown, Elsa. So inside is a trail register. You can write the date that you came and some little remarks. Louis.
Little trail juice.
Louis.
Yeah, where's yours, Miyagi?
I seem to have lost it.
I think because you let it fall, and then I think Milosh picked it up.
No, I picked
Did
it
he
up.
give it back to you?
Yeah, and it was gone immediately.
Is that why your video's out of focus?
Potentially.
So Trips, what do you think about Lily Island?
It's really cute.
Tell everybody what you thought about it.
The area
Yeah.
reminds me of the Boundary Waters.
Yeah.
It's pretty. It's very pretty.
It's kind of like a cross between the Boundary Waters and Isle Royale.
Yep.
Which Isle Royale is actually not too far from here, just to the north.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna head back now. We got a bit of a sunset capture, and now we're gonna head back to the grill and see how the boys are doing. We got steaks that we bought. They're garlic encrusted ribeyes.
And potatoes.
So we're kind of excited for our meal tonight. Our new tradition, thanks to the Kentucky boys, Jeremiah, JK, Jason Wah, is steaks. Uh-oh, somebody dropped something. I don't think I'm gonna pick oh, that's a gator.
Gator.
Once when we were at Pictured Rocks, Trips carried, was it a shoe?
A child's shoe.
A child's shoe, all the way from
It was like 9 miles.
all the way from the falls area at
To the beach.
Chapel Falls, all the way to Chapel Beach.
That's not 9 miles. I'm totally exaggerating.
That was,
It was like 6.
it was a ways.
Yes, it was. And I found the family it belonged to.
She did.
Good
That's
trail
called
karma.
trail karma, yes. So when you're on trail, always do good things for people.
Yep.
Pick up garbage. If you see something there, pick it up because it's probably somebody's ahead of you. In fact, I dropped a camera. What was it that I dropped? It was a camera piece. It was like, oh, it was like a little flexi. It was a little flexi tripod
Yeah.
piece for a GorillaPod, and I had dropped it. This is on the Appalachian Trail, and someone found it and actually brung it to the next shelter, and they asked if anybody had seen it, and it was mine.
Hey! Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
See, there it is. We were like, that's got to be somebody's.
It had to be one of them that were just here.
I was just hanging things up and I'm missing a gator. Thank you guys.
You bet.
I was gonna take that. I don't have only one gator.
I think they're perfect for you.
You have
Yeah.
one gator, I have one gator. We can do the, what's the potato race? The
The potato
the,
sack.
the leg race.
Yeah.
The one-legged
The
race.
one.
The one-legged race.
Yes.
The one-legged don't go anywhere.
What do you want?